Hey everyone, today I will be showing you how to make a sweatshirt. I will be going step by step. This is an SVG that I purchased from Etsy. I have the link to this specific SVG in the description bar for you to purchase. And the first thing I did was upload it to Cricut Design Space. And here is the SVG after it's been uploaded. So we're going to go up and click Make It. And once you are brought to this screen, when you are making a sweatshirt, you want to be sure to mirror the image. So we're going to select mirror on both of the cut files. And after you do that, you will click continue. And now we're going to select iron on for our material. And since we are using non-Cricut brand, we're going to have the non-Cricut material selected. And if you need to add more, you can go up to the top right where it says browse more materials, and then you'll be able to find other materials to cut. And after you have your material selected, you're just going to load your mats into your machine, as you will see me doing in the next clip. And I am going to be using pink and black as you saw in the SVG image to create the sweatshirt. And I got these vinyl from Amazon. I usually buy my vinyl from Amazon because it is cheaper than buying it at Walmart, and it is also cheaper to buy non-Cricut brand vinyl versus buying Cricut brand vinyl. And now you will see my machine cutting it. And I do have the Cricut Maker. However, if you have a Cricut Explorer, they do the same thing. The steps may be a little bit different because the buttons are different on the Cricut Maker versus the Cricut Explorer. You have the dial, but everything is pretty much else similar. And after the vinyl has been cut, I'm going to weed out the excess vinyl with my weeding tool. After you have weeded your vinyl, the next thing you want to do is take a lint roller and roll over your sweatshirt or shirt that you are making. And now I'm taking my t-shirt ruler to be sure that my vinyl is placed in the correct spot. I will also link this in the description bar for you to purchase off of Etsy. And now I'm positioning it on the sweatshirt and positioning the vinyl after it. It is perfect if you want to be sure that your vinyl is not too low or too high. So now I'm just going to add the vinyl to the shirt in the position that it is supposed to be pressed. And because the vinyl has places on it that overlap, I'm not going to press them out at the same time, otherwise the vinyl will be sticking to the plastic part. So I'm going to take off the pink word and just heat the black letters first, and then afterwards I will go in and add the pink. You will see that later on in the clip. Next, you want to add your Teflon sheet, and I am taking my easy press and heating each section on 305 for 30 seconds. Now you're going to remove the Teflon sheet and remove the plastic, and because this vinyl is hot peel, I'm going to peel it while the vinyl is still hot. You want to be sure that you know whether your vinyl is cold peel, warm peel, or hot peel. That is very important, otherwise it would not peel up properly if the temperature is not what is specified on the brand, based on the brand. Now I'm going to heat the pink letter onto the sweatshirt, and I'm just adding my Teflon sheet, and then I'm going to press it for 30 seconds on the temperature 305 degrees. Once you have your design on your sweatshirt or your shirt, you want to be sure to go in and press it one last time. And you're just going to take your Teflon sheet and press the entire design for about 15 seconds on the same temperature, which will be 305 degrees. This just makes sure that the vinyl is properly heated to the shirt and it's not going to lift up after washing or wearing it. And that is how you make a sweatshirt. I hope you found this tutorial to be informative and helpful to you. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Bye!